Hello, I am Josh Huss, a senior from Cleveland High School in Portland, Oregon. From a young age, I have always been drawn to the humanities. Growing up, there was nothing I loved more than curling up and reading my favorite Harry Potter novel, or diving deep into the history of Greek mythology and Percy Jackson. Throughout my time in high school, I have been given the opportunity to enroll in humanities classes, polishing my speaking skills in speech and debate, learning about culture and anthropology, and examining systemic racism in English class. These last 2 years, I have been given the unique opportunity to pursue an international baccalaureate diploma. Working towards the IB diploma has encouraged me to take a diverse course load and step out of my comfort zone. I have excelled in a high-level physics class, successfully taken 2 years of advanced biology, and buckled down in calculus. The keystone piece of the IB diploma is the extended essay, which is a 4,000-word thesis on any topic. Instead of falling back on analyzing my favorite novel or writing a sports history paper, I chose to research aquatic restoration at Johnson Creek, under the subject area of environmental science, something I knew nothing about. This topic has presented unique challenges because of the copious amounts of research required to gain knowledge, but I chose this topic because of my love for the outdoors and fishing. My love for the outdoors was instilled by my parents from a young age. I have been raised camping in the Columbia River Gorge, hiking at Silver Falls, climbing the sand dunes in Pacific City, and Nordic skiing at Mount Hood. Exploring the mountains and coast in my Patagonia jacket and rain pants, I am proud not only to be an Oregonian, but also of my Cascadia roots. My love for the outdoors goes beyond the Pacific Northwest. Each summer, I visit my grandparents in Alaska, and my visits have helped inspire the specificity of my topic. They live in Seward, Alaska, which is the gateway to Kenai Fjords National Park. Kenai Fjords offers tremendous opportunities to go whale watching, to visit glaciers, and to fish, but it also allows us to see the devastating effect that our climate crisis has had on our planet. Each year, my father and I visit Exit Glacier and are stunned and saddened by the pace in which the ice is receding. What used to cover the whole landscape is now just a fraction. During my summers in Alaska, I love the thrill and excitement of reeling in a massive salmon aboard my grandparents' boat. My enjoyment of fishing is reflected in my extended essay, as I am studying how aquatic restoration will foster the return of salmon to the stream that runs through my neighborhood. In the past year, I have collected and conducted tests on the water of specific sites across the stream. The collection of data allows me to understand and be a part of the scientific method. My data has allowed me to realize that despite millions of dollars poured into restoration, salmon will not return to Johnson Creek anytime soon. The aquatic habitat has been disrupted for hundreds of years, and it is not feasible to expect Johnson Creek or any part of our Earth to make such a sudden recovery. However, I remain optimistic about the stream's recovery for future generations because of the number of people devoting their lives to its future, and I'm excited to inspire individuals when I present my work to the Cleveland community at the culmination of my project. I believe that this project shows that my interests are diverse, and I'm not afraid to step out of my comfort zone to pursue these interests. In the already difficult IB program, my extended essay subject has encouraged me to take a new class, environmental studies, in order to have the background necessary for the paper. Finally, this project shows my ability to find connections between my own life and an issue of global significance. As a student in the Gonzaga's honors program, I will use what I've learned from my IB project and continue to advocate for our region's natural resources.